Residential Society Question and Answer Set 4. Question 1. What action residents can take if maintenance bills are repeatedly delayed or incorrect? Answer. First, raise it in writing complaint to Society Management Committee. Then escalate step by step to General Body Meeting GBM if it is not resolved by SMC. Then you can register your complaint to the registrar office nearby wherever your location is if GBM is not able to solve your problem. And then you can send the legal notice if the registrar is also not trying to solve your problem. So these are the stepwise process where you can solve your issues related to maintenance bills if they are repeatedly delayed or incorrect. Question 2. Should the residents worry if they don't get maintenance bills on time? Should they be charged interest on late non-payment when in reality maintenance bills were not provided on time to residents? Answer. No. Residents should not be charged interest when bills were not issued on time. Responsibility lies with the Society Management Committee to ensure that each and every resident in residential society they get their maintenance bills on time, either digital or hard copy. Question 3. Can the Society Management Committee put pressure and force any male or female living alone to smile and be friendly in order to get the maintenance bills on time? Answer. No, absolutely not. The Society Management Committee SMC cannot put pressure or force any male or female or any resident to smile, be friendly, or behave in a certain personal way in order to receive her or his legal right, the monthly maintenance bill. The Society Management Committee must act professionally and transparently. No resident, especially a male or a female living alone, can be forced to compromise his or her dignity for receiving bills or services. Question 4. There is no insurance, no money for structural audit, severe leakage from terrace to fifth floor during monsoon. Now leakage has started from fifth floor to fourth floor. In such conditions, the fifth floor owners are not staying in their flat but instead have given them on rent. If there happens to be any human damage to renters, then who is responsible for the mishap, owner or Society Management Committee? Answer. Both. The Society Management Committee and the flat owner can be held liable. The Society Management Committee for neglecting structural safety and the flat owner for renting out an unsafe flat. Liability will fall jointly on the SMC and the flat owner if any mishap occurs during the leakage or the structural failure. Question 5. Without clearing the pending maintenance dues and giving the share certificate to each and every owner, can the Society Management Committee proceed ahead with redevelopment process? Answer. The Society Management Committee should not and legally cannot proceed with redevelopment without issuing share certificates to all owners, maintaining clear records of pending dues, and ensuring fair, transparent consent of 75% of valid members. If they try to bypass this, any member, including you, can file a complaint with the Registrar of Cooperative Societies RCS at your nearby location and get redevelopment stalled or cancelled. Please like, share and subscribe. Leave a feedback comment mentioning any topic that you want me to make a video. Looking forward for a positive response. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Leave a feedback comment. Many thanks for your support and having great connection.